Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by limiting background transfers. Connect to the Wi-Fi or Ethernet network you want to control, then open Settings, choose Network and Internet, and select the active connection. Once done, turn on Set as Metered Connection. This tells Windows to delay many updates and background syncing to save data. Make sure to apply this only to connections that have data caps, because it changes update behavior and app sync. This first step immediately reduces unseen data. Next, you cut app and cloud usage at the source. Go to Settings Privacy Background Apps and switch off apps that don't need to run. Then open Settings account, sync your settings, and turn off specific sync types to avoid continuous uploads and downloads. Also pause OneDrive uploads or enable files on demand so files download only when you open them. These steps stop periodic syncing and background updates, which are common culprits for unexpected data consumption. Finally, control system updates and monitor traffic. Open Windows Update Advanced options to pause updates or defer them until you're on unlimited Wi-Fi, and set active hours to prevent large downloads during peak times. Then, check Settings Network and Internet data usage to identify high-consuming apps and throttle or uninstall them. If you still see spikes, run Resource Monitor to trace network activity and terminate or reconfigure the offending process. This troubleshooting tip helps you find hidden data drains quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.